Hi kids! Today we're going on a color adventure with our animal friends. Look over there. Hi! I'm a big friendly dog. Can you say woof? Very good. And I'm really blue. Say blue. That's right. Look at my beautiful blue tail. Do you have a favorite color? Do you like the color blue? If you do, move your hips like this. That's great. Keep moving those hips. You're doing a great job. Look, it's a yellow duck swimming in a pond. Hello. Hi there. It's me. I'm a little yellow duck. Can you say yellow? That's right. And I love to swim and splash in my pond. I wonder where my friend the elephant is. We usually play together here. Oh, there he is. Hi, Ellie. Hello. Hi there. It's me. I'm an enormous green elephant. Can you say green? You got it. And I love to spray water from my trunk. 1, 2, 3. It's so much fun. Do you want to learn some more colors? Then let's go see what's over this way. Over here we have a beautiful rainbow. What colors do you see? I see red. Can you say red? That's right. Over here we have a red parrot. Hello. Hi there. It's me. I'm a red parrot. Can you say red? That's right. And I love to talk and mimic your sounds. Can you say blue? That's right. Look over there. It's a blue whale. Hello. Hi there. It's me. I'm a huge blue whale. Say blue. Very good. And look how far I can blow water out of my blowhole. 1, 2, 3. Wow. Look at that. Now let's go over here. Do you see anything yellow? What's that? Over there. Hello. Hi there. It's me. I'm a little yellow chick. Can you say yellow? That's right. And I love to chirp and peck and scratch in the hay. Come on. Let's go see what's over here. Hello. Hi there. It's me. I'm a green snake. Can you say green? You got it. And I love to slither and slide all around. Boo! Now let's go on an exciting adventure over here. Hello. Hi there. It's me. I'm a tiny red ladybug. Can you say red? That's right. And I love to fly around and find yummy things to eat. I wonder where we should go next. Oh, let's go over here and see what's behind this big tree. Hello. Hi there. It's me. I'm a playful otter. Can you say blue? That's right. And I love to swim and slide and be with my friends. Today we learned red, blue, green, and yellow. Let's take a big deep breath together. 1, 2, 3. That was fun. Now it's time to say goodbye. But before we go, don't forget to like and subscribe for more fun learning. Bye-bye.